go doozy, go doozy. It never gets old.
Hija de chingada madre. Ay, ay, ay.
Someone was accidentally installed with the Forest Deer package.
We never, Jax, we never bark inside a Trader Joe's. Who gets kicked out of Trader Joe's?
Welcome to where fur meets funny. Get ready for the most unpredictable and chaotic dog moments. Let's dive in.
This one's
Something dead on it.
Птица, ты уже ловко так научилась крышку открывать, и момента была, бульбу добирается. Все, бульба да.
Hi, buddy.
What happened to
What are you doing?
What happened to your tongue? It's still out.
I'm starting to think he knows all our secrets.
Ты моя молодец. Ты моя молодец. А, ты моя красотка. Оп. Оп. Ты моя.
Did you eat your num-nums? No. Did you eat your food? I'm gonna go check. That food better be eaten.
Give me my grinder back. Give me my grinder.
有点赖上你的定住了。
No doubt, in multi-dog households, Chihuahuas will often reign. First the guitar strings, tomorrow, the world tour.
He's covered in flour.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on.
Michael, you poor sweet thing.
You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet.
Get my couch cushion out of your mouth, please.
Come on, dude.
Who needs expensive toys when you have these facilities? Guess who's contemplating the socio-economic impact of the neighbor's pet, like?
sao mà cứ phải kêu? Cái gì mà
Morning. Oh, hi. Oh, you're a beautiful baby. But, oh, Chico.
吓坏了是吧？吓我来定了，好搞笑啊！太小了，不可视了。你看他。
You feel that strongly about it?
Funny, you're about to see the absolute ultimate showdown of Chihuahua pups with massive attitudes. Ready? Go!
Oh my goodness. You okay?
Well,
吓坏了是吧？吓我来定了，好搞笑啊！太小了，不可视了。你看他。
Chihuahuas are intense shadow dogs. Whatever you go, man.
Let's go.
What they have is remote control. But it's gotta be hardwired. It's like a computer.
Oh, is that really nice?
That if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had.
Good morning, Chico. Hi, Rudy. Oh.
I have the one and only 24 karat gold Labubu.
First the guitar strings, tomorrow, the world tour. The walk ends when I say, over, Human. I wasn't prepared for the dog to be the site manager.
Good morning, Chico. Hi, Rudy. Oh.
With the cute leverage, the Chihuahua always wins the snacks.
The rain sounds will be on in a minute, okay?
Oh my god. What just happened?
No thank you, Mom. I'm on a strict diet. There, everyone. Found the salad mermaid. Talk about a winter makeover. She's undergoing a DIY Dalmatian transformation. The switch from Angel of the House to Gargoyle of Doom.
Did you eat your num-nums? No. Did you eat your food? I'm gonna go check. That food better be eaten.
Someone was accidentally installed with the Forest Deer package.
Morning. Oh, hi. Oh, you're a beautiful baby. But, oh, Chico.
Hey, I'm talking to you. Man, hey, I'm talking to you. Drop it.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
We have a land shark.
Waiting for his puppuccino.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
Found the salad mermaid.
You feel that strongly about it?
Hey, buddy. What happened to
you doing?
What happened to your tongue? It's still out.
Spot.
Sheepdogs don't wear coats. I can't move.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour! This is...
I bet this pup does this on purpose.
I've never been kicked out.
He's living in a VR simulation, and honestly, I'm jealous.
What did you do? What did you do? What did you do?
I've never been kicked out.
He's living in a VR simulation, and honestly, I'm jealous.
Ты моя молодец. Ты моя молодец. А, ты моя красотка. Оп. Оп. Ты моя.
No thank you, Mom. I'm on a strict diet.
Птица, ты уже ловко так научилась крышку открывать и момента улавливая. Бульбу добирается. Все, бульба...
2% vibrate, 100% anger, 0% actual damage.
Biggie, what do you call a dog that is...
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
I bet his head is 90% thoughts of world.
Waiting for his cappuccino.
Yes. Oh, sorry.